The two most important qualities of water to a pool owner are: 1. Does it look good? And 2. Does it feel good? The single most impactful product in the BioGuard line, Optimizer Plus, accomplishes both extremely well by creating brilliant clarity and adding extra sparkle to your water, while making it feel smooth and soft on skin and hair. But Optimizer Plus also acts as another layer of protection from algae and helps other pool chemicals work more efficiently. That's a lot of value for just one product. Best of all, apply Optimizer Plus just once to see and feel the added benefits all season long. No need to add more unless you replace a significant amount of water in your pool. Optimizer Plus works with most sanitizers and makes an excellent addition to a pool routine, such as the BioGuard 3-step system. It also reduces the likelihood of cloudiness and even improves buffering so your water's pH remains consistent, reducing the need for constant pH adjustment. That means less work and easier pool care to make your pool more beautiful and enjoyable. What's not to love about that? Talk to your local BioGuard dealer, who has the expertise to help you with a personalized pool maintenance plan that includes Optimizer Plus. And be sure to ask about the BioGuard True Blue Promise to discover how to avoid lost days or added costs due to cloudy water or algae in your pool. Welcome to Optimized Pool Enjoyment.